Hi, everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite coins. And for without further ado, let us move over to the chart. Today we are on the chart for Jasmy versus the US and Theta. We are on the weekly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And as you can see, we are on the weekly time frame, and the indicator we have just on our screen is the altcoin doctors buy sell indicator. And as you can see, we had some huge push, and today I will just be giving you some huge warnings that we are getting on the Jasmy chart. And as you can see, we have gotten rejected on the Jasmy chart on the weekly time frame. And this is very, 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 very huge and a huge warning for Jasmy, as we could see a huge push even to the downside. As you can see, if we bring up our other indicators such as the oscillator, as you can see, we are having a huge bearish divergence even for Jasmy. It might probably be due probably to the delisting of Jasmy on the Binance US exchange. I know that happened some few days ago, right? I wasn't able to make a video on that, but as you can see, price is moving to the downside. And if we shift over to the daily time frame, as you can see, we probably should be expecting to see a huge push to the downside even for Jasmy on the lower time frames, as we probably could be expecting to see Jasmy down at the 0.00380 level, which is a 19.59% to the downside at the time of recording. As you can see, we are having some huge bearish divergence, and even our altcoin doctors buy sell indicator is showing a huge push to the downside. As you can remember from my last video, I was hoping that we could see some sort of a bounce at this place. And as you can see, for some of you that has been with us, I took a trade, I took a buy at this place, but I currently am out of my trade, as you can see, because that was a very, very huge trade for some of you that watched the video, and we were probably could still see a downside, because according to our 4 hourly time frame, we saw a bounce, but we probably, as you can see on the 4 hourly time frame, we had some sort of a tweezer top. Let's go back. We had some sort of a tweezer top on the so you can see that on the 4 hourly time frame. As you can see, the buy sell indicator has been showing us that we probably could still see more downside even for Jasmy on the medium to long term range. So if we switch over down to the daily, as you can see, we are still pushing downwards, and we probably are expecting to see a huge push to the downside even for Jasmy in the medium to short term range. As you can see, so our indicators has all been showing pushing to the downside. Same thing as you can see with our oscillator. Our oscillator is having some sort of hidden bullish divergence, but as you can see, we got rejected, and as you can see, price has gotten rejected at this level. So as you can see, even though we have some sort of hidden bullish divergence, but as you can see, we have gotten rejected, and on the daily time frame, we are pushing to the downside. If we push over to the 4 hourly time frame, as you can see on the 4 hourly time frame, we should be expecting some sort of a probably some kind of little bounce, but as you can see, we are pushing below a huge big resistance. As you can see, pushing below all our resistance at the moment. As you can see, down from our resistance where we took our long at this level, As you can see at this level, we were up around 22%, and now currently we are down, currently about 6% down, even from the resistance level. So we should be expecting further downside. Same thing if we go down to the lower time frames, such as the 2 hourly time frame. As you can see, the 2 hourly time frame is suggesting that we could have some little, we still have a ray of hope at the 0.004527 level. If for any reason we break this level, then we should be expecting a huge push even to the downside, at the medium to short term. But as you can see from our daily is suggesting a huge bearish divergence. And as you can see, we should be cautious as we could see a huge push to the downside, in the price of Jasmy. So that's what we're expecting on the medium to short term. It would be good that you, get out of your positions, as we could see, huge. If we shift over to the hourly chart, as you can see, this is the hourly chart. As you can see, Jasmine pushing. So this is our last line of support, even for the Jasmine, which is the 0.004527 level. So we should probably expect a bounce at this level. If for any reason we can't get a bounce, then I'm afraid, which we probably might not get, because according to the 4 hourly time frame, it looks like we are going down to Goblin Town. And as you can see, we are pushing with a lot of a force to the downside. So we should expect to see, probably some kind of support at this level, right? If we break this level, for any reason, we could see a huge push to the downside of about 19%. So you want to put that, in view, as we could see a huge push to the downside. Thank you for watching. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.